Are you looking for a better way to burn fat, boost energy, and build healthy habits without obsessing over every bite? Intermittent fasting is more than a trend. It's a lifestyle shift, and the right app can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the 10 best intermittent fasting apps of 2025, handpicked to suit every kind of faster, from total beginners to seasoned pros. Ready to find your fasting fit? Let's jump right in. Number 10. Yazio, the ultimate all-rounder. Kicking off our list is Yazio. This isn't just a fasting app, it's a complete health tracker. You get a fasting timer, calorie counter, and personalized meal plans all in one place. Whether you're aiming for weight loss or better nutrition, Yazio makes it easy to align your eating window with your fitness goals. Best for combining intermittent fasting with food tracking, available on iOS and Android. Pro tip: use their recipe suggestions to stay full during your eating window. At number 9, we have 8 Food Diary, a beautifully visual tool for mindful eaters. Instead of obsessing over calories, 8 helps you reflect on your meals and habits through photos and journaling. It gently encourages intermittent fasting by showing you patterns, like late-night snacking or emotional eating, without guilt. Best for mindful eating and visual food journaling. Available on iOS and Android. Why we love it. It shifts your mindset from diet obsession to food awareness. Number 8. Vora. Simple, fast, and to the point. If you like clean design and easy tracking, Vora is for you. This lightweight fasting tracker logs your fasts and shows your progress history at a glance. It's a community-based platform too, so you can stay motivated by seeing others on the same path. Best for no fuss, minimalist fasting logs. Available on iOS. Tip: use the Cloud Sync to access your fast history from multiple devices. Number 7 is Life Fasting Tracker, a data-driven app perfect for the biohacker in all of us. You can create fasting circles with friends, track blood glucose and ketones, if you're into that, and see how your fasts evolve over time. Best for science-backed fasters and community support. Available on iOS and Android. Cool feature: you can monitor how long you've been in fat-burning mode. Number 6. Simple. Fasting made easy. New to fasting? Start with Simple. This app teaches you everything: when to fast, what to eat, and how to listen to your body. It's a personal fasting coach, nutritionist, and accountability partner all rolled into one. Best for beginners who want guidance and education. Available on iOS and Android. Fun fact: their AI adapts to your habits and gives smart suggestions. At number 5 is BodyFast, which gives you structured weekly fasting plans designed by professional coaches. The best part? You can join challenges, earn trophies, and keep your motivation high throughout your journey. Best for those who love schedules and gamified health. Available on iOS and Android. Bonus: upgrade to Premium for a fully personalized fasting plan. Number 4. Fast Habit. Track it, forget it. Want something that just works without overwhelming you? Fast Habit is your go-to. Just set your fasting duration, start the timer, and go about your day. It integrates perfectly with Apple Watch too. Best for busy users and Apple Watch lovers. Available on iOS, limited Android support. Tip: use their notification reminders to stay consistent daily. Number 3. Do Fasting, the all-in-one solution. Do Fasting isn't just a tracker, it's a full lifestyle app. From fasting timers to custom workout routines and even daily motivation messages, it has everything to support a full transformation. Best for people looking for both fasting and fitness support. Available on iOS and Android. Best feature: smart insights show how your habits are impacting your progress. At number 2 is Fastic, one of the most user-friendly and visually engaging intermittent fasting apps out there. It combines smart tracking tools with motivational coaching to keep you consistent and inspired. Fastic supports all the popular fasting methods, like 16-8, 18-6, or OMAD, and lets you customize your plan based on your personal goals. What really sets it apart is its daily health tips, built-in step tracker, hydration reminders, and educational content that helps you understand why fasting works, not just how to do it. Best for beginners and goal setters who want an engaging and guided experience. Available on iOS and Android. Why we love it: it blends science, structure, and a positive tone, so fasting never feels like a chore. And at number 1, it's Zero. Trusted by doctors, nutritionists, and millions of users, Zero offers multiple fasting plans, expert content, and health data integration. You can track your mood, sleep, weight, and more, while getting science-backed insights to understand how your body is changing. Best for all levels, from casual fasters to serious health enthusiasts. Available on iOS and Android. Game changer: the circadian rhythm. Fast option helps align fasting with your natural body clock. These 10 apps can truly transform your intermittent fasting journey. Whether you're just getting started or looking to stay consistent, the right tool can provide the structure, support, and motivation you need. Which app are you excited to try next? Or do you already have a go-to fasting companion? Let us know in the comments below.